All right, 3 days after we get the keys for the house, we had to do a serious upgrade. We were in the process of tinting the home, and then we get a phone call that there is a big hole in the asphalt below our house, about 210 feet from our house. Why do I know that? 210 feet number is because that is the distance of the water line, main water line we had to replace from our meter up to our house. And wow, yeah, had to write a big check for that, but glad we did, because hindsight proved, and I'll show you some pictures of it, that water line really needed an upgrade. Pretty large hole right in the middle of the road. And for a point of reference, here's a picture of that hole with my sandal beside it. And then, so yeah, had to do a big improvement to the house right out the gate. Weren't expecting that large sum of money to be written in form of a check, but had to get done. This is me putting a 5-gallon bucket of water on some trees. Ended up putting about 20 gallons over 3 weeks, which is not a lot, but had to do something for that, and had to buy a lot of water hose, about 350 feet, so I could run a line. But this is the main line water. What we took up, galvanized pipe that was just nasty. So glad we did it. Glad we were able to get it complete. Thank Elk Builders for that. And then we moved in July 3rd, 2019. Pumped to be in the house.